Alrighty, everybody. So I just scored this gem. It's an 85 SS. It's all original. It had one repaint, which is why the SS badge is up there and not down here. And that's the wrong one. That's some like AutoZone looking Ace Hardware lettering. But it's a Z15 car. I've got the original build sheet, all the documentation. It's originally a SS car. It's actually kind of a cool combination of color. It's actually supposed to be the bottom color, top and bottom, and silver in the middle, but somebody's painted it black, which I'll fix that. It's actually a really cool charcoal gray and silver combo. It does have the rally wheels, the SS correct rally wheels. Does have checked underneath. Does have the SS suspension, which the build sheet identifies. Has the Z15 splitter, which identifies as the SS as well. Also has the option of the bed rails, which I'm looking for another set for my car because mine are messed up. I'm gonna have to get a new license plate bracket because the chrome's messed up on it. I'm gonna order a new exhaust because exhaust is the only part of the car that's rusted, other than one other part, which I'll show y'all later. The El Camino badge is a little crusty, so we gotta get new ones. But yeah, dude, the car is super good shape. Interior is in really good shape. We just took it back from the car wash because I just purchased it, and that's the only really thing I need is the little rubber piece right there, the gap filler. I need a new grill because the chrome's flaking off. The only other bad spot is right there on the corner of the hood, which we can fix. That's not a problem. I'll show y'all a little bit more once we get it on the ground. But this is my new 85 El Camino SS. It'll go well with my 84 and my 79 parts car. I got an 84 that I've had for almost 10 years now, so this will look really good right next to it. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. I'm going to restore it back to factory because it's got the original drivetrain in it, the original interior, which is in really good shape. I've fallen in love with this car, and the guy gave me a price that's really fair for it, and I had to bring it home. Bring it back to the ranch. I love it. Well, I'll get y'all a little more whenever I can get it off the trailer and get it where it's going to be. We'll start a new build series called the 85 SS. There it is. Now, this is not the clip you were expecting to see. In fact, it's not the clip I was expecting to make. The SS, believe it or not, is in the garage still. It's in the garage there. And it runs amazing, actually. We put a battery in it. We were turning it over, and it was turning over fine. We checked the oil. Oil was a little low, so we did an oil change on it. And Dad reached in the window to turn it over to go ahead and pump it up, so maybe that it go ahead and lubricate the whole system. And the darn truck just cranked right up, and it run just as beautiful as you could imagine. Idled perfectly. I can't make this up. It literally, I pulled it out of the barn, I put a battery in it, I put oil in it, and it runs great. So I'll show you all that in a little bit, but first we need to tackle the brake problem, because right now we have no brakes, and I believe it's due to either I have bad master cylinder or bad calipers. So. Okay, we got the SS on the lift. We're working on bleeding the brakes. We got some brake fluid there on the ground from it. There was no brake fluid come out of the back wheel bleeder screws whenever we cracked them open, but there was fluid from the front ones. We did our best to bleed the front ones for right now. I got a friend of mine coming to help so we can mash the pedal and crack the valve. So then we'll add more fluid and get it where it actually stops so we can test and see if the transmission works. Once we do that, then we can go ahead and clean it up. I can get some purple power and do the underneath, because it looks like it either has some sort of oil pan gasket or rear main seal leaking. Might be from the top, be a balcony gasket. Not 100% sure, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, we'll figure it out and get the old SS back on the road, man. Do a little restoration on it and have a great car, man. Been sitting since '06. Put a battery in it and fired that up. I couldn't believe it. Squeaky belt. You didn't like that, did you, bud? Fire that up, though. A little hesitant and dead because it's cold, but yeah, it fires up. Runs good. Little lip tap, but that's because it's been sitting for 12 years. Okay, so there it is. The 85 SS actually runs, and it runs rather well. I replaced the belts on it because they are not too hot. We're obviously squeaking a lot in that last clip, and I don't particularly want to hear that, nor is it good. So the next video on this will be getting the brakes working 100% and doing some more maintenance to it, and maybe we'll get it outside and show a little more of it. Let's see if we got the wheels and everything. But yeah, it's a nice looking car. I'm just surprised it runs as well as it does. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new here and you want to see more about this project El Camino along with my other and a few of my friends' projects, consider subscribing. Turn the notifications on if you like to get notified every time we post. That's the little bell next to the subscription button. And we'll see you next time.